Happy birthday, Singapore!
We have a vision for tomorrow. We have a goal for Singapore. You and me will do our part. Stand together.
Okay, so we have arrived at Sentosa. We are at the Siloso beach. Not sure what is this about, but it's stated here as preparing to celebrate Singapore's birthday. So here we are at the beach. Okay, so we decided to ride up the Imbiah trail all the way slope up there and all the way there, and let's see what's up there. Are you ready? Not safe. Okay, anyway, we have arrived at the top of Mount Imbiah. This is the lookout, so we are going to carry our bikes all the way up. Okay, you wait for me there. Okay, I'll come back for you. Okay. Oh, there's a bunker here. Bang, 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 bang.